Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Aerin Rose Hand and Body Cream. This is actually in a travel size, something that'll fit in your purse. You can take it on the airplane because your skin gets so dried out on an airplane. So indulge your skin with a silky, lightweight cream that moisturizes well, imparting a delicate rose scent. Aerin's floral infusion of Magnolia and Peony helps soothe and soften while invigorating your spirits. So pretty much nothing but good reviews about this. The Aerin line has a whole beauty line of fragrance, bath and body, brushes and comb, accessories, makeup. So they have all sorts of things. It's all really beautiful stuff, and this is a very delicate cream. The smell is really heavenly. It's a really nice rose smell. So I'm going to put a little on my hand so you can see how nice the moisturizing is. And it's, like I said, smells just like rose petals. It smells just like rose petals, so it's a really great product. I received this from my sister, and I thought that was really nice of her to get this for me. You know, even though it's a small size, it's fine. Something, like I said, to keep in your wallet, and not your wallet, in your purse. And like I said, it's always nice to put on some hand cream after you use antibacterial hand cleaner because it dries your skin out. So it's best to use a moisturizer after. So I didn't really learn about the importance of moisturizers until I was probably in my 20s, late 20s. It took me a little while because I guess when you're young, you really don't think about it, but I was scared by a makeup counter person when I asked at 17, when should I start wearing eye cream? And she said, now. And I thought that was pretty funny, and so she pretty much cajoled me into buying eye cream, and I thank her for it because, like I said, I'm 37 and I don't have any wrinkles under my eyes. So it's all about preventing and not about reversing. Reversing can be done, but it's a lot more painful. There's a lot more to go through. And on that hand also, you know, I had a boss who would go and get his hands, actually, he would get the marks on his hands lasered off, and I didn't even think about it, but I'm starting to get marks on my hands and my arms, and I don't like it. I want it to go away, but until I have that money to do laser treatment, I'm gonna have to deal with just dealing with hand gloves and moisturizer overnight and do what I can to keep my hands as moisturized as possible, because I do that to my face as well. And so hands, face, eyes, décolletage all need to be moisturized. And the Aerin Rose Hand and Body Cream, so you can use this on your legs, you can use it on your elbows, arms, anything. But like I said, it's travel size, so you're going to want to, you know, just keep it along with you for the ride, wherever you're going. And once you really get into it, which I'm starting to get into it, I'm gonna upgrade to a full size. So yeah, I really, really like this product. I'm still smelling the roses on my hand. It smells lovely. And yeah, you know, if you want something that's a nice, I think it's made in London. Let me just double check. No, made in Canada and distributed through London and New York. So this is the Aerin Rose Hand and Body Cream. Smells wonderful. It's not like a grandma rose scent or a potpourri rose scent. It's just a nice and fresh rose petal scent. So like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself, and I hope you enjoyed, and thanks so much for watching.